You got the job. Now what? This is where training and development steps in, turning new hires into top performers. Training and development, or T&D, is all about helping employees improve their skills and grow in their careers. It's not just for new hires, it's for everyone, at every stage of their journey. In today's fast-changing world, companies invest in T&D to stay competitive. From artificial intelligence workshops to leadership coaching, the goal is simple: keep skills fresh and employees engaged. In T&D, first up, we have onboarding taking place immediately after employment, which helps new hires settle in quickly by providing necessary information about the company and tools needed. After which, different T&D takes place over time to help employees' growth. Like technical skill, it helps keep employees up to date with industry tools and skills. We also have soft skills, which help build communication, teamwork, and leadership. Another is leadership skills, which prepare future managers and leaders. Imagine joining a company and within a year gaining new certifications, improving your leadership skills, and becoming a mentor yourself. That's the power of T&D. If recruitment is about getting the right people in, training and development is about helping them become their best. So, stay tuned for our next episode on employee relations, how HR keeps workplaces happy and healthy. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. See you at the next episode.